Hi, welcome to another short video tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you where to download and how to use Trello as your project management. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type Trello. Trello is a project management tool. It's basically like sticky note but organized version. Click the first link showed on your browser. Now click sign up. You can choose whether you want to use your email address on Google, Microsoft account or Apple account. I'm going to use my email account to sign up. Now select Create your account. Add name of your team and choose type. You can also add additional note, then click continue. You can start 30-day trial or purchase the premium account, but I'm going to choose to start without subscription. Now we are ready. This will be the interface for those who just started an account. Since we already have a team, now let's create board by clicking Add Board. You have the options to select a template or create a board yourself, but let me show you first what you can get on templates. I'll choose this template. The template automatically fills everything to give you an idea on how you can start the Trello board. Now let's try to create our own board by clicking this. Add your board title and your team by clicking the drop-down button. This is the default board looks like. You can customize it yourself. Let's create a task. Double-click the task to open the options. On task, you can add members, create labels, add checklist and a date as well as the cover image of your task. You can also add description to the task, while the member of the task card can add comment or attached files. This is the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe as well as to like and share. Thank you so much.